In this video, you're going to get a chance to try out what you just learned. You'll see that I have some problems printed here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in real quick for you. There are 12 problems that are printed here. My suggestion is to you is to practice each one, and then we'll come back and work it together. But I'm going to do one before we do that. I want to show you number 7 is sort of tricky. So I want to show you how to do number 7 real quick, and then I'm going to let you try them yourself. 3/2 x equals 4. This one's actually pretty simple looking, but you got to be careful. I want to solve for x. You'll notice here it says solve for x. So I want to solve for this. This is 3/2 multiplied by x. So the opposite gets rid of it. What I do on one side, I do on the other. So I'm going to divide 3/2 divided by 3/2. Perfect. But this isn't normal. This isn't right. 4 divided by a fraction on the bottom. To fix this, it's a little bitty trick. Here's what you do. You take the thing on the bottom and you take it and you flip it over, and instead of dividing, you multiply. It's called invert. Flip it over. 3/2 becomes 2/3, and then you multiply. So we're going to multiply. So that's gone now. So it's not a big division problem. You flip it over and you multiply. Well, this is 4/1, and if you look back at your basic math, it is multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3, and my answer is 8/3. There's another one in here that has fractions in a minute, so you can be careful with that one, but I wanted to make sure you knew how to do that. Here's what I want you to do. There are 12 questions. Choose the first, let's say 6. Work them on your own paper. Pause the video, write them down, work them, and when you come back, I'll have all the answers and you can see how you did. All right, so pause the video. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, at this point, I'm going to give you the answers, and you can see how you did. Question number 1, if you did it correctly, is 2/3. Number 2, -2/3. Got to be careful on that one. Number 3 is 5/6. Number 4 is 5/2, or that's an improper fraction. Big number on the top, small number on the bottom. 2 goes into 5 2 times, and I have 1 left over. Sometimes it'll be written like that. It's the same thing. 5/2 or 2.5. Either one would be right. Number 5, 11/4. That's improper also. So 4 goes into 11 2 times. That's 8. So there's 3 left over. That's 2 3/4. Be careful with that. One more time. 4 goes into 11 2 times. That's 8. So there's 3 left over. It's 2 with 3 left over out of 4. And then number 6 is -1/7. You can write these answers down, pause, look at the ones that you didn't get, check your math, see if you get it. If you're struggling here, go back and see your teacher, or if you're at Richland High School, come see me, and I can show you what you're missing. Maybe this is one of the things you're not good at, but if you've got all these, then you're ready to go on to the next video. Good luck!